Hi everyone. Today I'd like to discuss our best practices for creating miscellaneous invoice. Typically, all invoices should be created in ConnectWise PSA. So how do you create one on the fly? First, you navigate to Finance, then Special Invoicing. Enter your company that you want to invoice. And under the invoice type, you can select a miscellaneous invoice, down payment, or even create a credit memo. For this, we're going to create a miscellaneous invoice for $150. But what if we want to add product to this? We'd simply select Save, hit the Products button at the top, add the product we want to bill our client for, and then Save. Now, in order for this to show up in Mobius, it has to be in a closed status, and then we should be ready to batch. But what if we want to create a miscellaneous invoice in QuickBooks Online? Best practice is to turn on custom invoice numbers. So we're going to select the cogs wheel, and then we're going to select account settings. We're going to select sales on the side, and we're going to select custom transaction numbers, and we're going to turn it on. Now this is where ConnectWise and QuickBooks tend to compete. ConnectWise will always use the next invoice number in line. So because this was created at invoice number 597, QuickBooks will also try and create invoice 597. So if I go to sales and invoices and I create an invoice, you're going to notice the invoice number here is now the same as in ConnectWise. This is going to pose a problem when you go to batch over what's in ConnectWise. So for this, we're going to type in QB dash so that we understand and know that this came from QuickBooks Online. We're going to bill this to Indigo Strawberry Company for maybe an hour at $150 an hour. Now this invoice has a number of QB597. So when I go into Mobius, it will not stop the invoice that I just created in ConnectWise from batching over.